The academic essence has to be integrated with these new tools. And it's very important to don't lose the perspective of the academic excellence that we aim here at IE in all our programs. And the integration of these tools is just another extra layer that we put on top of the development of the syllabus. The idea behind digital handcrafts is bringing the tradition of the handcraft, but using the new tools that we're having available today.
This session is about digital handcrafts, so a mix between digital craft and digital design tool. So in this class, in this elective, we will work to create a new design, new modeling software to create then an artisanal craft object with 3D printing and new technologies.
The key takeaway is that we're moving into a new space in terms of design and the way that we want to visualize the world. Design has always been something that's been very physical and something that you're always very hands-on, and so mixing that with the virtual reality space is very interesting because it's not very tangible, but it's still all in your face, and it's just an exciting venture into new technologies and how we can apply it. The most interesting part about all of this is, well, one is stepping into the VR space for the first time and trying to translate a lot of the 3D skills that I already have and I've possessed over the course of design in these 3 years, and being able to actually physically see how your 3D shape has evolved and expanded over the course of the project.
In the future, I'm sure that the craft will be digital. So in this case, for example, we are working with VR technologies, and VR technology is the way also to model the NFT or the metaverse technology, the metaverse design. So you can apply for physical objects and also to digital and NFT objects.
The world that we are living is changing so fast that we need to integrate the tools as they're coming. So it's of primal importance to integrate them in the teaching methodology of the program. A program which is alive and is constantly updating into what the technology is capable of.